Hello, I'm Asher Loomis, and I'm going to show you how people use math in the real world. Today, I'm going to show you what a civil engineer does, and the civil engineer that I'm going to interview is my dad, Jeff Loomis. He's going to show us what kinds of math he uses in his job, and he might give us a few examples. Okay, so let's go.
Hi, I'm Asher's dad, Jeff Loomis, and I've been a civil engineer for over 20 years. I don't think there's a day that goes by at work when I don't use either the math I learned in middle school, high school, or college.
So Dad, what is the main purpose of your work?
Well, a civil engineer's main job is to protect the safety and welfare of the general public and the environment in designing things that we often take for granted every day. Things like clean water to drink, safe roads to drive on, and the structures that we live and work in.
Okay. Well, which math concepts do you use in your job?
We use a lot of math concepts, but some pretty common ones are slope, rates, and mathematical modeling.
Well, can you tell us about some examples of those concepts?
Sure, slope, the next time you're in your car and you drive up over a hill, that's an example of slopes, or we call them grades when they refer to roads like that. Rates are how we determine things are being used up or supplied to your house, things like electricity and water. And then mathematical modeling, a good example is modeling the flows in the Big Wood River to protect against flooding during the springtime when the snow melts.
Well, thanks for all your help, Dad.
No problem, anytime.
Well, there you have it. That's how a civil engineer like my dad uses math in the real world.